here. Yeah, it's sunshine now. Don't know if you can see outside, but my day nearly ran away. I start my day on the train station, sit 50 minutes, wait for the train. It looks like something like that. And yeah, after that, home in a train, and it rain all day. Now it's time for some sandwich, some simple sandwich, and yeah, you can follow me to the kitchen and see how I do. It's not so magic in that. That is the Monday and the new week start. Thanks for the old week and thanks for all your support. If you have any comment, leave them down below. I like to hear. And or other stuff you want to say. So I will read your message if you leave them. Now to the kitchen and now the sandwich and yeah, thanks for today. See you guys. Bye for now.